Hi, I am Viren Shah. I am here to explain about the quantifiers. Firstly, we know about what are the quantifiers. Quantifiers is mainly used to show that for how many elements a described predicate is true. There are two types of quantifiers: universal quantifiers and existential quantifiers. First, we know about what is universal quantifiers. The phrase "for all" is universal quantifiers. It is denoted by this symbol, which is known as for every. For every x represents for all x, for every x, for each x. It is the universal quantifiers and it is denoted by this symbol. Now we move to the existential quantifiers. The phrase there exists is existential quantifiers. It is denoted by opposite e, this symbol. For this x represents there exists an x, there is an x for some x, or there is at least one x. This represents that in an domain of discourse there is at least one element in that domain, and this describes that universal quantifier describes that for every, in which for every x this predicate is true or this is belong to this x. Let's we discuss about the examples of the universal quantifiers and existential quantifiers. Now firstly we see the example of universal quantifiers. Let be there an example. All human beings are mortal. Make it is a function where x are known as or written as human beings is mortal. X is mortal, so we can write that for all x belong to U. Now there U means domain or universe of discourse. For every x belong to U, there is function px, means all human beings are mortal. We can also, or it can be written as for every x there is px. For every x, px. This symbols denotes for all. Now we move toward the example of existential quantifier, which is also denoted by opposite e. Some human beings are mortal. Now make are mortal or is mortal is as function px, x is mortal. So there exists an x or at least one x which is mortal, means some human beings are mortal. In the domain of discourse or universe there exists a single x or some x which is mortal, which can be written as there exists x in px. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe, like and share my video, and all the things we completed in this video about the quantifiers, universal quantifiers and existential quantifiers. Thank you.